Hello and welcome again for another exploring our files of Trackmaster models. We are looking at Neville and Molly. Let's try to scroll all these pictures really fast, the fastest we can. So we are looking at Diesel 10 with a match express car. I want to call it passenger car. And here is a Murdoch, really nice model. Annie and Clarabelle. Tolkien Thomas, Wooden Railway Murdoch. Here we are looking at the construction crew, part of the construction crew, Kelly and Nelson. Very good Trackmaster models. Byron and Jack from Trackmaster 2. I mean 2, not 2. It's Trackmaster anyways. The first models. Here's another Kelly and Buster, really good little ones, very small toys. Also Max and Oliver the excavator, very good set. Remember, I no longer have these models, it's just the picture we are exploring, so you can have an idea that these models exist. And there is Byron and Max from Sotherstorm. From Trackmaster. Bachman Thomas, not really in good condition, but they were okay and working. Percy and James, missing the tender and the pilot wheels, I think. Yes, pilot wheels. Now we're looking at Diesel 10 remote controller, and this one is from Mattel. Probably you don't see this really often, but it does exist. So there's Thomas, remote controlled, also Percy, very good. Now look at this, the face is not tired. There's another model, the remote control Percy with the tire face. This one is not. Okay, there is Molly, excellent. Hero, remote control Hero, or RC, whatever you want to call it. Stanley with a troublesome truck, also with the remote control, really nice model. It is Dodge with see, the passenger car is with the hooks on both sides. The coupler is, those are, look at the other side, it's the same, really nice. This one comes with this splatter, I think. So anyways, we have here James from Mattel, Harvey, motorized coach, Victor with troublesome. Let me see, we have Stepney, really nice. Rosie, now look at the stickers, really clean. Now there is another Rosie that's different in color, kind of darker. Here is Mavis with a grumpy SC Ruffy, or some people like to call it Scruffy, but I say SC Ruffy. Anyways, here's Duke from Close Shape. Another Duke and troublesome truck with the eggs, I think it's eggs. Reneas and milk tanker. Toal with paper face is Tolkien Gordon. A set of Thomas and Clarabelle. Not the second match because Thomas is from Mattel and Annie and Clarabelle are Tommy. Here is Sir Handel. I think it's missing some stickers. With Souther Fruit and Vegetable Company car. Another remote control from Cranky. There's a big scratch on the Cranky name right there in the letters. Sold as is. This one is Tolkien Thomas, Tolkien Percy. Really bad condition Ben. Here's the other Rosie I was talking about. This one is dark in color, even the wheels are really darker. See, it's, I don't remember. This one is Tommy. I probably that was Plarail. Anyways, here is Boko with a green caboose. Here is a birthday celebration Thomas, I think. Yes, it's not a complete set. It's missing some parts in the little building. It is a really bad shaped lady. This one is from Hit Toy Company. Others are from Tommy. Now here is the complete set of Rocket or Stephen with a little horse. Nice. Now we are looking here at Rocky with a magnetic crate or box. This one is from Hitachi company. Really nice model. Here is the drawbridge. I think it's drawbridge. Let me know in the comments because I already forgot this set. Up and the bridge goes up if you use the lever, and the engine stops right there, and then starts spinning the little wheels in the bridge and raise up the bridge and goes down. Now we're looking at a bunch of tracks, racers. Here is a Percy with a mail car. Freddy. I don't know if that one's figured as Freddy, but I think it's the same. Now Ivory with light blue passenger cars. Remote control James. Here is another Rocket, but missing the little horse. Sold as is Gordon. Spencer. I think we find some really good files of the construction Trackmaster models. Here's Hero. Let me know in the comments if those are rare. I mean, right now some people say rare, but if you keep looking, you can find those models over the time. Charlie, Screw, and a bunch of Trackmaster too. Anyways, not important for us, you know. If you like the Trackmaster 2, that's fine. Others, we prefer the Trackmaster 1. There are more details on Trackmaster 1s or the first models than the Trackmaster 2. Look at this. I mean, they are okay if you want to, you know, but we love the old ones anyways. So there's another Diesel, James, and a bunch of models. And here's a Talking Thomas Trackmaster 2. But anyways, I think that's all for today, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing for more videos and more uploads. And I think you can find a really good tutorials on my channel. And I hope you enjoyed watching this slideshow. I'm gonna call it slideshow of pictures on the files. So there is a bunch of models I used to sell and sold and buy and sold on eBay a lot. And I think if you're looking for a specific model, you're gonna find it really soon, because the toys are out there. You just need to keep looking for those models. They are I mean, you could say it's hard to find, but they are not. You're gonna find them any day soon if you are collecting your models. But anyways, so I'm gonna speed up the last pictures, and I hope you like it, and thanks for watching, and over and out.